Alright, so yesterday we had discussed about the SEO Quick, which is mainly used in order to analyze the strength of the competitors, in order to refine the keywords. After that, we have shortlisted the keywords. We got to go through the SEO Quick as well as Uber Suggest keyword tool to find out if really this keyword is good enough to target for SEO. This entire research is part of keyword research. Not just going into Google, typing the keyword, seeing the number of searches and the number of results. That was the first phase. Then you also got to go into deeper and find out through SEO Quick what are the stats of each of the page. And then thirdly, you got to check in the Uber Suggest tool to know what should be your expectations. See, Google may say 10,000 to 1 lakh searches are happening. That's a very broad range. So is it 20,000? Is it 90,000? Is it 50,000? We are not sure. Even if you know it is, let's say, 30,000 searches happening in a month. If you get in rank 1, how many people are expected? Rank 2, how many visits are expected? Rank 3, how many are expected? To know all that, we prefer the Uber Suggest tool. Today, our page is on the top, and some premium listing guy wants to list his business into our website like Just Dial Sulekha. But you may say that you are getting 1 lakh page views, 10 lakh page views in a month. What is the proof? How would he believe? Just go to Uber Suggest tool, type the keyword for which so and so site is ranking on top, and that will clearly tell you number to number how many people are visiting the website. That is a way to check. Because we don't have access to the analytics, we can't even ask, please give me the details of the analytics. Everyone may not provide. They may want to keep their keyword secret or whatsoever. But Uber Suggest tool will clearly define that each of the listing in the top 10, what is their visitors flow. That is very, very important for us. Even when you want to display ads into other websites, or if others want to display ad in your website, they may demand it. In case they raise a question, how do I know how many people are visiting your site? How do we trust you? Suggest them. Go to Uber Suggest tool, sir, you can check it. No harm. Let's be transparent. Alright, now, today onwards we are going to begin with the various steps to develop backlinks for our web page through off-page optimization. So basically off-page is the work outside the site. Apart from the web page URL, we do not require anything in our website. But along with this off-page, there are some points in SEO which is neither on-page and off-page. Daily I'll be covering up one such topic. Like today I'll cover the first step of off-page, then I'll cover robos.txt. So some voids what we left. And they are neither on-page or off-page, they are in between. So every day one such topic we are going to cover along with the step, because explanation of the step will not take much time. The work is regular. So 1-2 sample submissions if I show, then the same thing you'll have to do for rest of the sites. So off page being outside the site, even let's say some company agency tells you to do SEO for their site but only off page, we don't require their admin credentials. We only require the list of the URLs. In the Excel sheet, if they provide the list of the URLs, that's it. You don't require any other thing. That's why it's called as off page. No HTML code access required. Nothing. Only these links have to be posted in a perfect manner depending upon the type of submission. There are 7 different ways to get the backlinks. And these are the natural ways defined by the search engine themselves. So we are not doing any kind of spam here. It is search engines who have recommended us to do this. But what is spam within this, that also we'll discuss. So in case you are writing the notes, you can give the headline as off-page methods or link building methods. Though we have already begun with the off-page, backlinks, PageRank, SEO Quick, this is all off-page only. But now we are going to discuss the various steps in the off-page. So that is nothing but the link building methods. Now there are legal and illegal ways. In order to develop backlinks for your web page, you have shortcut and you have a regular way. The shortcut way or the illegal way or the unauthentic way will get you instant ranking. In a matter of few days, your pages are going to perform on the top for sure. But there's no guarantee about the sustainability. Whether your page is going to stay there for 1 week, 10 days, 1 month, 1 quarter, 1 year, maybe 10 years, never know. So illegal ways are only for knowledge but never for practice. You must have thorough knowledge of SEO. That's why we'll be discussing what are the illegal ways. But neither are we going to practice that, nor I advise you to do that forever in your life. But for knowledge purpose, you must know what are the shortcut ways in order to rank on top. Firstly, let us know about the illegal ways. In illegal ways, there are 3 different methods by which you can quickly get a lot of backlinks. One is reciprocal linking, which is done through either 2-way or 3-way. I'll get back to it, what it means. Third one is buy-sell backlinks. Though buying and selling of backlinks, in some cases we can easily escape from the search engines monitoring, but if you do not know how to do it, then your site may come under trap. And there's a very strict rule in SEO. Any site found to be practicing these techniques, sometimes it is temporary spam, sometimes it is totally red flagged. The domain itself is blacklisted. Anybody, the owner of the domain may change, he will also be facing the impact of it. So how severity is the spam will be checked by the search engines. So the degree of spam in these methods is very, very high. And finally, using automated software. There are a lot of automated applications by which the backlinks will get developed automatically. So let us understand one by one each of them. Reciprocal linking. While developing backlinks, while we were discussing about the backlinks topic, remember I told you that competitor backlinks are the weakness for every search engine. Then later I said that you need not break heart. Why would a competitor give us a link is a big question. I said that we can do link exchange. There may be several pages based on your keyword. At least some of them would be agreeing on link exchange, like barter system. I give the link to you, you give the link to me. It is not barter system, but it is a direct link exchange. A to B, B to A. That is called as two-way linking. It is very easy for the search engines to catch two-way link patterns. That is why they started with three-way link exchange, where the links are exchanged in a triangular manner. A to B, B to C, C to A. Some say that search engines are not able to detect three-way link patterns, while some argue and say that it is very easy for search engines to catch even three-way link patterns. I leave that argument to you. Even I am not sure whether they are able to catch two-way or three-way, but one thing that I am pretty sure, maybe today you can easily cheat the search engines, but there are algo updates which come every 3 to 6 months, which will be taking up later. We'll have to have an understanding about the algo updates. Hummingbird, Pigeon, Penguin, so many others. During these updates, your site will easily get caught. So whatever it may be, it is only temporary ranking. For some time you may cheat Google, but one day is going to catch you. And that day could be any day. Buying and selling of backlink is a multi-billion-dollar business. In fact, you type these keywords in Google, you'll get a lot of pages who are practicing this. Firstly, let's say reciprocal linking or link exchange. Are link exchange a legitimate SEO strategy in 2020? Link exchange. There's a lot of information you find. Is link exchange good for SEO? Quick and easy way to drive traffic and improve search and results. Blogger link, this provides traffic to. Some sites on the top may say that it is good. Believe me, it isn't. I told you it is only for knowledge. If it was so easy, then I could have told you, forget all off page. Only do link exchange. A page is on the top, that's it. But then in future, if it falls down, all your hard work in vain. So some sites are there which are helping in link exchange. Also called as V-link, three-way link, okay. So if you dig more into Google, you'll find even list of the websites which can help you in exchanging of backlinks. Now, it is very obvious, right, that this is illegal. Then why is search engine displaying the results? Why can he ban this keyword? This answer I've already told you before. Forget this, lot of negative keywords are there, bad keywords are there. People may want information on these topics. Search engines will show the results for that. Remember, this can carry any keyword, nothing is illegal. Any keyword, you will get information on it. Search engines cannot block any query saying that this topic is illegal. I told you, knowledge is never illegal. Action may be. So this is a knowledge, and every human being on this planet has got the right of knowledge. That is a law which all the search engines are bound with. So one cannot argue saying that, sir, all these are illegal methods, and why search engines helping them? Because these pages are providing information, search engines have to show them. They have got SEO marks, what to do? Yeah, he can ban his ads if he wants. Google says that I don't want to display ads in this site. Okay, that is justified. But he can't block that page in appearing in the search engine, provided it has already got good SEO marks. Then you have buy sell backlinks. So many sites are there. Buy strong backlinks, best price guaranteed, high DA, PA. We'll talk about DA, PA in the later stages. At times you may get trapped by seeing that a very high page rank backlink may be available for a very low price. See, backlinks.com itself is a site into this business. You want to buy, you can buy. You want to sell, you can sell. Like property. This is a very popular site, by the way. Average cost of buying a link was $353. Okay, if you dig more, you'll get to know which are the good sites to buy the backlinks. At times, you may find some attractive ads stating PR5 link, that is page rank 5 link, only for $50. Now, of course, all this price is recurring price. It's not permanent link. Every month price. So that $300 is not one time. Every month you got to pay for it. It's like a rent. You are like a tenant to them. Till that link is being housed in their website, your ranking will sustain. The moment they remove the link, ranking will fall down. Indirectly, it is a type of ad. That ad which is helping us to rank on top in the search engine. But do not get trapped. Too cheap is always bad. You may find some attractive ads stating page rank 5 backlink only for $10. Not $10, let's say $50, $100. Page rank 2 link only for $10. Question 1. Are they really offering page rank 2 link or page rank 5 link, whatever they state? And for the price, of course that price is recurring price, but even recurring, it is very cheap according to me. Because quality backlinks are generally very expensive. And how come PageRank 2 backlink, PageRank 5 backlink, they are ready to sell for a very low price? Question 1, it may be a site which is already into spam, or the site may be already black listed or red flagged by the search engine. This could be one reason. But that thorough checking you can easily do. Check the spam score and all that. Now my statement says, even after thorough checking, auditing the website, doing forensic auditing of the website, the site seems to be pretty genuine. From which page is offering you a backlink, that is PageRank 5 or PageRank 2, PageRank 7, whatever, and the site is totally free from spam. Still, you may find the backlinks pretty cheap for the prices that I've quoted a while back. What is the game? How comes a site which is very genuine, even offering a link for such a low price, does work out to him? And is there any loophole in it? No. What he's saying, he is providing it. There's no game, otherwise it would not have sustained for such a long time. The game here is, they will never reveal you how many external links are present in that page. They say PageRank 5 backlink giving for $20. Yes, they will give you. But like they are giving it to you, they are going to give to 1,000 other web pages. Everybody, that backlink will be there. It will be like a link directory. So that PageRank 5 power, that is 85% of PageRank 5 divided by 1,000 is like 0.01, 0.02 PR if I take the logarithmic value. Those kind of links we can get it for free, my friend. Why do you want to spend $20 on it? So don't get trapped with half knowledge. That conditions apply part they won't give, that we need to understand. And one rule applies always in our life. Golden rule. Don't believe anything too cheap. Anything. Maybe a product, maybe cloth, maybe real estate, maybe house, maybe some website or whatever. Anything too cheap, there is some loophole. 99% cases. Can't say about 1% luck. So don't get trapped by this pricing and all that. They will look very attractive and they provide what they are saying, but the information is incomplete. Dig deeper and find out why he is selling it for such a cheap price. Ask these questions to them. Alright, so that is about buying and selling backlink. And then finally, automated software applications. Again, if you do research in Google, type here automatic backlinks or backlinks creator, backlinks developer. See, there are even ads. Google is accepting ads for buy sell backlinks. I wonder. I can understand the organic results, but he is even accepting the ads. This is bad. This is being more commercial. That should not be the case. Now, automated backlinks. Again, ads are there even for this keyword. So strange. Because these methods is very clearly defined as illegal. It should not be, at least, okay, organic part we can understand. But why is he accepting the ads? Top 10 link building automation tools, automatic backlink builder. That means in this, either it is autopilot or semi-autopilot. You just have to mention the URL. Then you have to fill a dummy form with your name, full name, email. You have to give the API keys of your Gmail. That's it. Everything is done on autopilot. Even email verification happens on autopilot. Imagine. In fact, some of these applications can even solve the CAPTCHA. A lot of sites are offering CAPTCHA. This CAPTCHA is to stop these bots. But some bots are so sharp that they can even solve the CAPTCHA by recognizing the patterns. So, there is one website, SE Nuke. It's the number one site. Number doesn't mean that you go and purchase this software. Firstly, go through it. SE Nuke TNG Pro special offer in Black Hat. It is the most popular software application. Most of the backlink guys, the software SEO professionals are aware of this website. are aware of this application, but it costs you $97 monthly per website. This is per website cost. Even then it is cheap according to the features what is offering. This is single license, 3 licenses. You can operate from 3 different systems. Now, SE New TNG today's most important ranking factors to easily blast your websites to the top of the Google automatically. Don't get trapped so easily, okay? These are some things which we are going to do manually and he does it automatically. You can go through the video to understand more about it. It makes use of inbuilt proxies in order to dynamically change the IP address, but not sufficient. Huh? Because Google is well aware what is a real IP address and what's a fake IP address. How the stats improve post using this. Now, when I say it is a good application, doesn't mean that it can cheat search engines. To some time it can. It's like a professional criminal, not easy to catch him. But one fine day he is going to get caught. It hardly leaves any mark. A perfect murder kind of thing. No fingerprint, no footprint, nothing. Just hold on. Sorry for the interruption. So, this is a well built application which is going to give tough time for the search engines to get caught. That's the only thing I can say. But I'm for sure, damn sure, that search engines are going to catch when something is found through SE Nuke footprints. When you make use of this application, somewhere some marks are left. It may take some time, maybe little delayed, but you have to be ready for your site to lose it to spam. So all this is only for knowledge. We are not going to practice. Like this, you may find so many applications. There is something called as Scrapbox. It's also very popular. This does only one step in the off page, which is very important step. Step number 5, block commenting. The most powerful and the popular SEO tool of its kind, used by SEO companies and freelancers from all over the world, trusted by major Fortune 500 companies. Users have dubbed it the Swiss Army knife of SEO. This will also cost you $97. Price is reasonable based on the features what they provide, but I never ever advise or motivate to find out some shortcut ways to rank on top. Because one thing is for sure, your site is going to go into spam. But only thing is, the chance here is that maybe for a year, for 6 months, or for 2 years at least, you would be enjoying the top rank. So in case you want to use this, then I can only say that for topics which are temporary in nature, like exam results, Cricket World Cup, IPL 2021, like that. Such kind of topics which are going to be there only for few months, maybe 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, that event comes, and if you are able to sustain on the top rank for that short duration, you may reap the benefits. But then in between, when it will be directed to spam, we never know. So it's risky thing. And my advice is, don't go for this kind of applications. Do what I tell you in an authentic way. Movement is going to be gradual, but it is going to be long lasting. There will be never any danger of spam to your website. SEOsanjay.com I booked in the year 2011. That time I did not have much knowledge about the black hat, white hat and all that. But I was mentally prepared, never do anything illegal. 9 years passed by. Hundreds of algorithm updates have come. But nothing has impacted my website. So the ranking has fallen to 2-3 positions because of some of the files. My site got hacked in between. The hackers. So I had a total remake up of my website, and all the URLs got changed, and all the backlinks got collapsed. Backlinks are very sensitive to URL. One letter change in the URL, your site is gone. The backlinks value is gone. For backlinks, only one thing: URL, URL, URL. Even a letter is changed, even extension is changed, that will make a difference. So it was my mistake because I put a very, very loose password. That time all these strict rules were not there. So some applications are vulnerable to hacking. So my strong suggestion to you, always have complex password. In fact, if you ask any security expert, he will also advise you that change the password every week. Because your site will be checked with various passwords every day on day basis. So when you're changing every week, it will be very difficult for them to catch. In fact, in there, the hackers and all, they know that this site frequently updates the password, this site doesn't update, this site is totally dormant. So they generally target those sites which are dormant, where the passwords have not been changed for a very long time. So you become easy target to them. But for me, it is not possible to manage password and all, because I have logs in so many accounts. I do some algo trading, stock market and all that. So I left it like that, and that was a mistake. Anyway, still now it is picking up with a new design. So all these are the black hat techniques which should never be practiced, but it's only for knowledge. Now we are going to discuss about what are the genuine ways of developing backlinks. Search engines have defined 7 methods. Through these 7 methods, you can build quality backlinks which are long lasting, which will give you permanent benefit. Never there will be a danger of spam if you are developing links in a proper manner. Now through these 7 methods, again, illegal way also you can develop it, legal way also you can do it. Do it in a legal way. Do it in a natural way. Do it manually. So that will help you to sustain on the top for almost permanent, till the competitor gets more marks than you. Your ranking is not going to fall down till the competitor gets better marks than you. And having done keyword research, we have ideally chosen such kind of topics which are least targeted by the general public. So it will be very difficult for the competitor to think across that kind of keyword what you have thought and then dedicatedly do SEO on it. That's a very rare case. That's why I told you, think out of the box. Target the keywords which are not easily thought by others. By that way, secretly you'll be able to make money. And most important thing, I've seen some students, once that they're ranking on top, to boast about themselves in the entire class, in the open public, they say, sir, this is my keyword, I'm ranking here. That's it. Others have got to know what your keyword is. They may also target the same keyword. What's the point? They have themselves become your competitors. No site would want to do that. So never expose your keywords to others. Tell your site, but don't say for which topics you are doing SEO, how are you getting traffic and all that. You got to popularize your website, you have to tell about your site to everybody. Share it in Facebook, WhatsApp, everywhere. But don't tell on what topics are you targeting SEO. By looking at their site, they cannot make out. Because off page, there will be several chain of keywords. They don't know what exactly is the keyword that you are focusing to rank on top. And on page, we are not, if you look at the entire on page structure, only one keyword we can target there. Rest of the keywords we have to get marks through off page. So they will not be able to crack what are the set of keywords that you are targeting. Until unless you tell them. Better not to tell. So let us see what are these 7 methods in order to develop backlinks. First one, directory and classified add submissions. Second one, article submissions. PR is not page rank. In this case, PR is press release. Then you have SMO, social media optimization. Then this is the most powerful step among all. So block commenting. 80% of my backlinks is because of the step number 5. Then this is slightly important compared to the first 4 methods. Forum discussion. And then even profile page. 90% of our backlinks are going to be from these 3 methods. When 90% weightage is given to that, then what is the need for the first 4 steps? We have to do the first 4 steps also. All the 7 methods have to be done. But yes, focus you can give for the last 3. Only when you get the backlink of various shapes and sizes of various path, then only the search engine will feel that it is a natural link building process. But if you are getting backlink from limited type of sites, then it is very easy for them to know that it is all done artificially. I told you give importance to natural SEO. Natural SEO means you have to have an all-round development of backlinks. So we are going to practice all the 7 methods, but 80% of our time we are going to dedicate on these last 3 steps and 20% of the time here. That can be done. Number of backlinks may vary here and there, but all the type of backlinks are required. While developing, I am going to give you the list of the sites for each of the method, which is there in my folder. Those who haven't got the URL to download the entire material folder, please ping me so that I can share this folder with you, because we would require this list of sites. So within this folder, these are the 4 files you find. How about the other 3 steps? We'll talk about it when that step comes. But at least step 1, you are able to see the list of the sites from where you got to get the backlinks. While developing backlinks, some of the websites may demand for link exchange. In all these 7 methods, there may be some of the websites in each of the method which may demand to exchange backlink, which may demand price in order to approve the backlink. Strictly avoid those methods. We are only going to target that site if it is allowing us one-way unconditional backlink. There should not be any conditions for the backlink to get approved. Okay, unique content, title, description is okay, but nothing like exchanging of links or buying of backlink. That should be avoided. The problem is when I started developing these sites, all of them were giving one-way quality backlink without any conditions. But now more than 50% of this want to make money. That's why they are demanding either paid link or link exchange. Link exchange is rare, paid links you'll find many sites often. I haven't updated the site since then. I was fed up, I updated lot, but then every few months now and then some sites are changing to paid one. So it may be little time consuming to you that after opening a site it may show as a paid one, so you got to just mark it or red color it so that next time you don't target that site. So with the best of my efforts, I've refined it a lot, but the thing is that every 3-6 months some sites are turning to paid site. It happens in every step. So maybe that's small work will be there, and but in this case, in directory submission and 1-2 steps only, you'll find concentrated sites which are asking for money. Otherwise, most of the other steps, 70-80% are even today free submission. Alright. After the link is submitted, search engines have to find that link. Now today, maybe that you are giving me a link from your site, abc.com/xyz, some page. There you have today given me a backlink. Now don't go to Google and type your keyword and see what ranking position you have got. It is not that faster. You have got a backlink from a web page. Now the search engines have to find that page. If you leave that page like that also, they will find it, but it will be very slow. It may take several days. We have to do pinging. Pinging. With pinging, we can expedite the process. So firstly, the backlink is submitted in a website, and then that website owner will approve it. Some will have automatic approval, some will have manual approval. After he has approved it in a page, a backlink is present, then the search engine should find it, and then only the impact in the rank will be seen. So we can make the process faster. For the search engine to get indexed, to get that page noticed, we can expedite it. However, it's not that overnight you'll be getting the results. That's why off-page work that you're doing today, you'll start seeing the results only after few weeks. Because it's a slow process for the search engines to catch the links. It's a slow process because there are billions of links every day. So you got to have patience there. So what is the off-page that work that you're doing today? Don't expect the result to be seen tomorrow itself. Give some time to it. But yes, for sure, improvement will be there. Every day, one step we'll discuss. Today we are going to begin with directory and classified ad submissions. Directory or web directory, what is it? It is like a telephone directory. What is a telephone directory? A telephone directory is the one where we store the list of the names according to the alphabet of the person or the city name. Likewise, in a web directory, list of URLs or websites are stored in the form of category and subcategories. Let me show you a website. Example, there's a directory submission site. All the directory submission site look similar. Only appearance wise they may be different, but structure is the same. In the home page, you are going to find several categories. Under that, there will be subcategories. Under the subcategories, you will have to submit. Example, say arts and humanities, and let's say news and media. Then you'll find submit link option. So the process of submitting the link in a directory site is pretty simple. No registration required, no login required, only selection of the appropriate category and subcategories required. So what do we do is select the most appropriate category, subcategory, add list. Select the most appropriate category and then the subcategory and then go for add listing. In add listing, fill the keyword in the title, 2 lines of summary in the description and submit. This is what you need to do. So we are going to select the most appropriate category in the home page, then we'll go with subcategory. If there may be multiple subcategories, that means inside subcategory again a subcategory. So go to the destination category and there click on add. You may find submit site, add site, submit links or add link, whatever. And then a form will appear. Within that form, you got to give that title as your keyword. That will automatically become the anchor text. We are not going to punch AHREF code. That code will get formed automatically with the link that you have stated in the website or the web page column to the with an anchor text as what you have given in the title box. We'll see this practically. Then in the description, you have to write 2 lines of summary of the web page. Again, this one also must have your keyword. Let us do a submission. Let's say pack move fast. Now here it is shown as page rank 7, but don't expect a page rank 7 backlink. It is not so easy. The home page is page rank 7, but the page from where you are going to get a backlink, that may not be even page rank 1. Okay, so understand, page rank 7 doesn't mean that you are going to get the page rank 7 backlink. That is for the home page. Our link is not there in the home page. Now these are all enjoying the backlink part. They may be internal links, whatever. So we are going to get a backlink from the internal page, and that internal page, what is a page rank, that is what is going to matter for us. But through the page rank formula, what we have known is that 15% of the pages power goes to internal page. So maybe he has got some 1 lakh pages, maybe 10,000 pages. 15% of PR7 divided by 10,000, 1 lakh, even then that is good power. So like this kind of backlinks only are going to be considered powerful when you want it for free, when you want to do it for manually. Drop and drop of water makes an ocean. But rather than general SEO professionals who may be targeting low quality links, we are drawing mug and mug of water. But ultimately we have to fill that up. The biggest advantage that you get in the training is my hard work of several years to prepare the list of the sites. You won't find list better than this. That means there is not even a single directory site with PageRank 8. So the entire research is done to find out the best of the best site in each of the category. Only problem is some sites which have become paid, you got to manually mark them. But once that hard work you have done it, then for your upcoming websites and all, it is going to be very easy. You need not test the sites. Let us do a submission here. Now I want to submit a page for Pack Move Fast, which is based on packers and movers. Now here the confusion that you may get is, in which category do we submit? Should it be business and economy, or should it be service? Service is not here. Or reference. Some of the categories are pretty straightforward, but some are like confused ones. We would not know where do we have to submit. So let's say I go to business and economy. Now here, is it consultancy where I should submit, or is it relocation anywhere, labor should I submit, transportation? If you are not selecting appropriate category, subcategory, then the listing may get rejected, which would never want. All our time, efforts are wasted. So rather than you trying to find out which is the most appropriate one, whether real estate or whatever, it is better that we search through this box. You type your keyword here, PR Web Directory will scan all the pages and show you where your competitors have submitted. Packers and Movers Mumbai, Packers and Movers Chandigarh. So they are all submitting in business and economic transportation. So this is where we need to submit. Very important point. Type your keyword in the search box and find out which is the most appropriate category or subcategory where you got to submit. Now this is a page on transportation in this site. From this page only you are going to get a backlink. This is not page rank 7, but it has definitely got some effect because of the page rank 7 in the home page. So these are my competitors whose listing already got approved. Okay. I also want to add my pages. This is all anchor text. This is the description what they have given. This is the URL what they have stated. So let us also add into this page. So I click on submit link. Now I get a form. So keeping the points in mind, you got to fill this form. So let me take internal page. Packers and Movers in Agra, we are coming in the 12th position. I want it in the top 3. So I copy this. That's what I give in the URL. Title as my keyword. That is Packers and Movers in Agra. Very few directory sites are there which will not allow the home page to get submitted. So there, in such sites, only home page can be added. But most of them allow internal page, so test it. Firstly, whatever your page, target that. In case they throw a message that we don't allow internal pages, then at least add home page in that site. Now this is what I was talking about. Featured link. It's a paid link. Premium link. But I told you, nothing should be done which is illegal or could be illegal. We want regular links. He says that regular links, they are going to review in 3-4 months. Believe me, it won't take 3-4 months. Within 2-3 weeks only, they'll respond. Even if it is 3-4 months also, we have to do regular way only. But I've not seen any site to be so lazy. At least in the list that I'm providing in the Excel sheet, they are just trying to like divert you towards this paid link. But what I'm saying that maybe you'll get your own list of site. There may be some lazy sites taking a lot of time to review. Still go for this manual submission only. Some links will get approved instantly, some will get in an average time, some will take a lot of time. Doesn't matter, it's all around development. But no, don't cross the line. Like Lakshman Rekha. Never ever cross it. So all those 3 methods, you should be totally away from it. Now 2 lines of description regarding my web page. Again, my keyword has to come here. This is what is my targeted keyword. This will become anchor text automatically. Now do not copy the title description of your website. I've seen some students, what they do is directly whatever the meta description they are given in their page here, that only they are copying and pasting it here. That is bad. And second thing, don't copy this description. Title of course we can, but description don't copy from one directory submission site to other directory submission site, because they have got inbuilt plagiarism tool which can detect the copied matter. So you got to type 2 lines. The core meaning may remain same, but the words have to be different. Every directory submission site, you must have the creativity to write 2 lines of summary having the same meaning but changing the words, so that it doesn't come in the view of the plagiarism. Otherwise these sites will reject and they'll clearly state you in the email, we found the description to be copied or very common description. That's the reason why we are rejecting your link. The approval rate is approximately 25% only for directory submissions. Meaning if you do 100 submissions, we are not going to do 100, we are only going to do 50 directory submissions per page. More than sufficient. Per page I'm talking about. I have one page on Agra, one on Delhi, one on Mumbai. Every page I require a backlink. Each page 50 directory submission in different sites. In that I should expect only 12-13 backlinks to get approved. But let me tell you, that's a very big number in SEO. With the quality of the sites we are targeting. So we don't require hundreds of backlinks from this method. We only require 5 to 7 quality backlinks. For that 40-50 submissions is required. Yeah, where hard work is required, there we'll discuss. There the numbers will be big. But for the first step, 50 submissions, more than sufficient per page. Yes, what you have written here, that can be copied in the meta description box. This will be shown in the front end of their page. This will go into the back end. That can be done. And how many keywords you are targeting? Start with your main keyword, packers and movers in Agra. Let me zoom this a bit. Then packers and movers Agra without it. Okay, 1 to 5 keywords you can give separated by comma. Your name, email, whether link is approved or rejected, you'll be communicated through this mail. Click on continue. That's it. So this is one directory submission that we have done. Like this you need to do 50 per page. Let's do one more. Another site is suggesting. Let's go there. Again the same thing. See, the structure remains the same for every directory submission site. Home page you'll find the main category, then subcategory. I told you better use a search box rather than guessing where to submit. So this is a fast process. So again here, business and economy, real estate, or business and economy, transportation, or recreation and sports, travel destination. No, this is better. I click on submit link. So I'm going to target the same page, but I need to change the content a bit in the description. Regular links, always go with regular. Hackers and More in Agra. Title is okay, can be copied. This hardly few words. The description, change it. The keyword, don't put more than 5 keywords. The same thing in description can be given in meta description. Link is submitted and awaiting approval. So you got to just wait for the mail to come. May happen within a day too. They stated 3 to 4 months, but I believe not even 3-4 weeks, 3-4 days itself. A lot of times within 3-4 days you are going to get a response from them. This is the way the directory submission has to be done. This is what is a step 1 in the off page. Apart from this, there's another phase of the first step, which is called as classified ad submissions. This one. It is not applicable for blog. Classified ad submission is only meant for business website, only for organizations, only for companies. If you have got a product or service to offer, then this is required. Second part, this is required for all the type of sites. This is required only for business blog. So meaning in this classified sites, I won't find any category to submit birthday wishes, but I'll find category to submit SEO Sanjay. So if at all your site is talking about any business, product, service, then only you have to do this. Otherwise, this is done over. And for business website, this is also should be done. This also should be done. Both of them. So Quicker, OLX, these are all the sites which are listed here. Just Dial, Sulekha. So some 45 popular websites. Some of the sites will allow you to place the link, while every site will help you in the business promotion. It will help to create awareness of your website. That is what a search engine want. They don't want to just give any web page on the top rank. They want to give popular web pages on the top rank, and for them popular means the website is talked about in so many places. That's why we are posting links everywhere. Every type of site is speaking about this site. By that the search will understand that the site must be really popular. That is what is a step in the algorithm. The algorithm is designed in such a way. Alright, so let's see. Let's say I want to submit in Quicker. I've already submitted SEO Sanjay, I believe. Let us try. Post free ad. Education and learning. Certifications and learning. Ad description. Ad title first. Alright. In case you have got pictures regarding your business, logo, website, whatever, use them. I am skipping it. But this is important, huh? Only then you get better response. Here you got to mention the website, web page address or website address. Whether are you targeting the home page or internal page. This is what is a backlink. Not now, only after they have approved it. I'll show you how the backlink looks like. You'll get directly inquiries even from Quicker. That's a secondary advantage. But mainly we are doing this because this is what we want in order to rank on top in the search engine. These are primary need. Secondary is the benefits are that you'll be getting a lot of inquiries from these sites. So we can go with a free ad. Free ads will come in the bottom of the page in their site. Paid ads will come at the top. We are not bothered about the location of the backlink because that doesn't matter in SEO. Maybe we'll get less inquiries if it is at the bottom in this site, but that backlink power is going to eventually help us to push our page on the top. Thanks for posting your ad. Your ad is now posted and the changes will be reviewed shortly. So sooner there will be a page created in Quicker where my web page listing will be shown. So my web page address will be mentioned like this. That will be in the form of a link once approved. Let me show you one page, Just Dial. It has already given me a backlink. So if you look at this, here you are going to find the link. You can even test this link. Leads to my page directly. Say do follow backlink. Now Just Dial, he himself is my competitor. If you type SEO training in Hyderabad, you will be finding the Just Dial page also in the top 10. When being my competitor, why should he give the link to me? So this what is a competitor backlink, right? But question is, why is a competitor giving us a link? What benefit does he get? Just Dial never had the option of a backlink because he knew their business is only SEO. So they are very clear that we should not be giving link to the competitors, and that is how they started the website. However, if they do not want to give a link here, they are not going to get the people who are going to add the website directly here. Today, why should I add my business here? Because of this backlink only. If it does not give me the option for the backlink, then I will not target Just Dial. Maybe I'll go to Sulekha, maybe I'll go to some other classified sites. What is the harm? They used to operate like that. Then they used to send the employees door to door, collect the details of the business, and through employees they used to add the listing here. Now the burden to them was, tomorrow if I shift my institute, how would they know? I don't have the patience to call them and say, because they're not giving me backlink anyway. Please send your executive. I've changed my address, so kindly update it. So there was a huge cost burden to them to pay to so many employees and to do door to door, go door to door and find out whether the business has got any kind of changes. So that is one way if they want to avoid the backlink. Otherwise, the better deal for them is let us allow backlink in the submission. Let the public themselves upload that. Let the public themselves edit it. So they can save on the employees cost and their site will be having updated information. Now people will add the listing here because of this backlink. The benefit what they get is automated content website, automated updated website. Benefit what we get is the backlink. This is what is a kind of barter system that happens in the off page. In every site is the same story. Rather than exchanging the backlink, we are exchanging the mutual benefits. For him, there is no loss even if he gives the link to me, because his page rank and all that is going to remain the same. But advantage that he would be getting is that some company, Sanjay Technologies, is going to add the listing here and is going to update the listing time to time. Likewise, when every business does it, then he can save a huge cost on the employees. Otherwise, how does he know that I want to change the mobile number, I want to change the email, I want to change my office address? Then people call Just Dial and they see that he's giving all outdated information. The site will lose its charm. So with that mutual benefit only, there is a scope at lot of pockets where there is a provision for the backlink. That is what is the 7 methods. There are thousands of types of sites. Why only these 7 sites? Because there is a scope to get a backlink. These are the sites who are thirsty for information. So we give them information, quality information in return. Rather than for the payment, we are asking for a link. That's how both of them are benefited. So hope the first step is clear. Try to submit some backlinks today itself. Tomorrow we are going to discuss about the step 2 article submissions. That's all from my side. For any kind of queries, make use of the audio control or the chat window.